my mother, who sat and watched my infant head, when sleeping on my cradle bed, and tears of sweet affection shed, my mother, when pain and sickness made me cry, who gazed upon my heavy eye, and wept for fear that I should die, my mother, who taught my infant lips to pray, and love God's holy book and day, and walk in wisdom's pleasant way, my mother. And can I ever cease to be affectionate and kind to thee, who wast so very kind to me, my mother? Ah, no, the thought I cannot bear. And if God please my life to spare, I hope I shall reward thy care, my mother. When thou art feeble, old and gray, my healthy arm shall be thy stay, and I will soothe thy pains away, my mother.